Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video out of phone edit on CapCut PC. So you are going to select your video and you're going to add it to track, and I'm just going to use the 16:9 ratio too, and I'm going to start the video where he's kind of in the middle. Then I'm going to add this phone PNG. I'm just going to add it on top of that video, and I'm just going to adjust it a little bit like so. And then after that I am going to go to library and I'm going to add a black background. I'm just going to add it on top of this video. Oops. Like so. And then oops. I'm going to select these two, right click, create compound clip, go to basic and choose darken as a blended mode. I'm going to also kind of zoom into the video a little bit, like so. And then I'm going to copy and paste that and add this video on top of the phone. Go to cutout and select auto cutout, and that is basically it. As you can see, it looks like he is moving out of the phone and back in it again later on. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!